Hey. Hey, what is up, guys? It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Cameron Garris, back with another video. I don't even know why I'm wearing my coat, but today I will be burping for no reason. So, let's just get on to the video. Go. Hey, it's box water.
Box water.
Alright, so go watch my other videos because they're like really funny, okay? Alright, don't just watch my burping videos because I put a lot of time in all of my videos, okay? Okay. My box of water is right there. I threw it off. Oh, hey. Wow. Nice. Downstairs right now. This looks like poop. I'm going to fill my hydro flasks up with water because I need water. A one, two, three, four. There we go. It's filled. Wow.
I like the way you talk. I like the things you wear.
I want your number tattooed on my arm in ink, I swear. Cause when the morning comes,
I know you won't be there.
every time I turn around you disappear.
Nice to meet ya. What's your name?
Oh, hey. Yeah, I think I'll stick to burping, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Yo, what's up? Yeah, my hair is messed up. I was just wearing a hat for a while, but you know how last video I ate this popcorn seasoning. If you have not gone and checked out that video, go watch it. All right. But I'm gonna eat this kettle corn one. Looks pretty tasty, so let's give it a try. All right. Oh, gotta open it. It hurts really nasty. It goes for a second, but then it hurts nasty. I'd rather stick with Coca-Cola, you know? Just my preference. Alright, I'm gonna burp a couple more. This is flat. Whoa! There we go. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Camden Garris, checking out for now. You guys are literally amazing. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if you guys want to see more videos. I just filmed another banger video last night, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And I got pranks, more challenges, and yeah. Alright, cool. Oh yeah, you like my drone thing? You think you'll like cut off my hand? Whoa, that was scary because I thought that was like gonna chop off my hair because like that's going so fast. But I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys are amazing. Subscribe, like, and comment down below videos that you guys want to see me do. And yeah, all right, and peace.